Knowledge is power, information is liberating. Education is the premises of progress in every society, in every family. Graduation day is the day of joy for all graduating students. The bond between the teachers and the students brings in an emotional content to the graduation day. It gives me great pleasure to welcome our Chief Guest of Honor, Professor N. Rajendran, Vice Chancellor of Alagappa University, Karaikudi. Professor N. Rajendran is having 34 years of teaching experience. He had been the founder professor of history, founder director of Bharatidasan School of Management, and founder director of Center for School Exclusion and Inclusive Studies. He also served as Dean, Faculty of Arts for 2 terms. Besides, he was also the coordinator of RUSA scheme. With his academic credibility and administrative ability, he has provided clean and transparent administration in every position he occupied.
First of all, I would like to congratulate all the graduates who are taking their degrees today, especially those graduates who won the university first rank and subsequent ranks. And also I would like to congratulate the college for obtaining 2F and 12B status from UGC. It is certainly indeed a milestone in the career of any educational institutions. Hats off to Idaya College for Women, Kumbakonam. Education. Education, in fact, is the cornerstone or the anchor sheet of social change. A society undergoes tremendous change all over the world because of education. It is education that has transformed the society from a basic food gathering society to agricultural society, to industrial society, from industrial society to information society. Without education, I think we cannot hope to have changes that are happening around us. And in fact, your college has been doing good service for empowering women of this region. And empowering women is really an important task for this nation. And this congregation, which is 175 years old, which runs the college, has been serving the people of South India in numerous ways for such a long time and deserves our praise. The congregation now spreads over 5 countries with more than 1,000 sisters, is doing yeoman service. Certainly, dear graduates, you must feel proud to be the alumni of this esteemed college. And graduation, as indicated by your principal, is one of the most important milestones in the career of students. Graduation is not the end of your tough journey, but it is the beginning of a beautiful one with promises for a bright future. As graduates, all of us have bounden duty to respect our parents throughout our life. Why I say this is, today we are in a transforming society. Transforming society in the sense what Alvin Toffler said, future shock in 1980s. The rate of change that was happening in society for about 1,500 years, we were an agricultural society. In 300 years, we moved to industrial society. In less than 30 years, we have become information society. And this rate of change, especially the older generation, will not be able to cope up with. This is one shock that Alvin Toffler predicted. That's what he called the book, the bestseller, as Future Shock. And in fact, the impact and the ripples of future shock could be felt in our own society. In fact, great institutions are not born great. Great institutions are made great by great people in their institutions. And these institutions are manned by great teachers and thereby great students also. They produce in turn great students. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, he says, learning gives creativity. Creativity leads to thinking. Thinking provides knowledge. Knowledge makes you great. And the journey of life is not always smooth. Remember, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And dreams are the seeds for success. Remember, money is never a constraint. History shows that those who had humble beginnings, like Mother Teresa, Martin Luther King, and Thomas Alva Edison, Sir C.V. Raman, and Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, could achieve great things in their lives. I would like to just quote the life of one individual who faced hardship throughout his life and establish hardship is not an obstacle to be successful in life. And I accept my congratulations and my best wishes for your continued success and bright future. Thank you very much.
The graduation of the college has been called to distribute the degrees in various subjects of the college upon the 1,016 candidates who in the examinations recently held for the purpose have been certified to be worthy of the same. Optimism is the faith that leads to achievement. Nothing can be done without hope and confidence. We heartily congratulate the gold medalists who have put forth great effort to achieve and reach the peak of success.
It's time to honor the rank holders, and I request the dignitaries to honor them. I request our principal sister to honor Ms. I. Mafrina Beham, Department of Computer Application, who placed first rank. I request our Reverend Mother Claudine Arokya Mary to honor Ms. Fahima Ansar, Department of Information Technology, who secured first gold medal. I request our administrator sister Anthony Ammal to honor Ms. M. Risma Sasmi, Department of Microbiology, who got first rank and she was honored with a gold ring.
We heartily congratulate the gold medalists who have put forth great effort to achieve and reach the peak of success. Nurul Safia BCA second rank, Mukhil Dharani BSc Physics second rank, Roslyn Rizvia BSc IT third rank, Nityashri BSc Mathematics third rank, Deepa Kumari BSc Physics fourth rank, Rausi Safia BCA fourth rank, Hira Fatima BSc Micro fifth rank, Sophia Preeti BA English sixth rank, Vaitishwari B.Lit seventh rank, Rajeshwari BSc Micro 8th rank, Al Jamia BSc IT 9th rank, Niveda Meris B.Lit 9th rank, Sister Innocent Joyce BCA 10th rank, Ghana Safrin BSc CS 11th rank, Kirtana BCA 13th rank, Benasi Afrin BCom 13th rank, Vishnupriya B.Lit 14th rank, Shifana Afrin BSc Mathematics 15th rank, Priyadarshini BCom 15th rank, Kirtana BSc Physics 16th rank, Rebecca Sindhia BSc CS 18th rank, and Anupriya BSc CS 26th rank. And the PG rank holders are Swarna Devi MSc CS 4th rank, Sai Kriti MA English 4th rank, Satya MSc CS 5th rank, Fayuna MSc Mathematics 5th rank, Ramya MSc Microbiology 7th rank, Pavitra MSc Mathematics 8th rank, Soundarya MSc Micro 15th rank, Swati MA English 16th rank, Tilagavati MA English 17th rank, Ashwini MSc Micro 20th rank, and Gunaselvi MA English 26th rank. Here I conclude the graduation report with this quote by Periyar E.V.R. Ramaswamy: expand knowledge, make it universal. I congratulate all the young graduates on this occasion. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you will land among the stars. Chase your dreams. Dear graduates, strive to shine. Aspire to achieve. Work hard to win. Be studious to set your goal. Be genuine and gain knowledge. Preserve to reach the pinnacle. To conclude, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam says, my message, especially to young people, is to have courage to think differently, courage to invent, to travel the unexplored path, courage to discover the impossible, and to conquer the problems and succeed. I dream it as the most appropriate moment to convey our sense of gratitude to the management and teaching faculty of their great academic service and encouragement, and have made this event an evergreen one. Thank you.